Well, good morning there, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to go crush a back workout. Check out the new podcast room studio setup. I've got a table, but I can't get around the side, so I literally have to crawl underneath the table every time I want to get to my chair. So that's one design flaw in the making, but that's okay because life is good and I don't mind crawling underneath tables. What else is new today? Today's just going to be crazy. We're going to do a vlog today. We got a lot going on. We moved our workout to a little bit later in the morning so we can work more on business stuff in the morning and then train after our body's kind of been alive more. We got Brandon over there working hard, printing labels.
What's up, everyone?
And life is good. Crystal is doing all right. Jack is doing dandy. Ready to work out?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Do it.
We also are making headway with the apparel. These are all boxes full of clothes. Those are all boxes and bins full of clothes. Not going to show you what they are yet. You're going to have to just sit tight and wait, but they're going to be great. gonna do a little tip real quick here. Put my dumbbells down. So I want to do a little tip with every time we do like a workout montage footage, you know, I want to throw in one quick little tip. We're gonna actually start doing legitimate training tutorial videos in the very near future, but dumbbell dropped. I want to do like a little tip with all these little workout footages. So we did back and biceps today. I'm gonna do a quick little bicep tip that focuses on the peak of the bicep. So you've got the different heads of the bicep. Certain movements work more of the longer head, so like basically the length of the bicep muscle, while others work more of the peak. Another quick little tip on that: when people tell you to flex and you're trying to like show off your biceps, give them a front double bicep pose, rotate your wrist in a little bit. That's gonna make that peak of the bicep stand up a bit more. So like if your fist is out like that, so your palms are forward, you have more of a longer head, whereas if you rotate it forward, it's gonna make that peak pop a little bit more. So keeping that in mind, when you're doing dumbbell bicep curls, particularly I do alternating dumbbell bicep curls. You can do double arm if you want, but at the very top of the movement, rotate your wrist out, which is basically gonna be the same thing as rotating your wrist in if you're doing a front double bicep pose. So go down full extension here, come up, and at the very top of the movement, rotate that wrist out. Basically kick the dumbbell out away from you. That's gonna focus that contraction even more, work on that bicep peak even more, and you'll feel it, like squeeze it. When you get to that top and you rotate out, squeeze it really hard with every rep. That's really gonna work on the bicep peak. All I gotta say about that, see you next time. Wow, my hair's doing some crazy little things up there. Anyways, we told our crew that when we're training, when we're working out, that's our meditation time. That's our zone. That's like the time that cannot be interrupted because it's sacred. So when they need something from us, rather than interrupting our workout, this is what they're doing. Check this out. So we come to the door to go inside.
The dirty door.
C note on board. Boom. Need cards signed, please. So we gotta sign some more cards. You ready?
Ready.
Let me tell y'all, it is so nice having a shower in the compound so I can just kill it in the gym, have a great workout, and then not have to stink all day long. Let me tell you, that's especially useful for Crystal because she works out and she's stanky. So, got a shower, feeling fresh, about to get to work. Get it, Bridget. Get it. Come on, Dylan. Shake that head. Shake it. Shake it, Dylan. There you go. Work it. We've transitioned from spring cleaning to rack building. Check it out. Check it out. Adding to the collection. How many racks we got now? Too many to count?
40.
40?
6 new ones. That's the number I'm going with, 40.
Yeah, buddy. We're expanding here at Keto Brick.
Always.
Always? Alright, y'all. I'm going out of town this weekend. I gotta get a suitcase. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go to Florida this weekend. I did like a surprise trip to Florida. More on that later. So I got a bag to pack all my stuff in. Hopefully not have to pay for checked baggage. But when I was checking out at Academy, I found a jerky that has 0 carbohydrates, which is a very rare find. So I figured I'd grab it and taste test it for y'all. It's got... Crystal told me that my hat is covering my eyes, so I have to take my hat off. Anyways, so this jerky has 0 sugar, 0 carbs. It is soy sauce. There's soy sauce in there, so I'm not a huge fan of that. But for the sake of finding a 0 carb jerky, I'm gonna give it a try. Pretty good. Tillamook brand. You try some, babe? What do you think?
Pretty good soy sauce.
Pretty good soy sauce. You like it?
Yeah, that is actually really good.
All right. What is up, y'all? I'm about to grill some steaks. Let me show you what I'm working with. We got the big old, I don't know what this is. It's crystals. It's quite a bit leaner. Mine is a big old bone-in ribeye beneath it. I'm gonna put some of that Jambo butter oil stuff on there. Cooking it in the Traeger, doing a reverse sear. Let's just chit chat for a bit. Get my camera set up here. All right. So, like I said, I'm going to go to Florida this weekend. I kind of booked this unexpected trip to Florida. I'm flying out tomorrow, which is Friday. I'm going to spend Saturday there. I'm going to fly back on Sunday. Danny Vega, Ben Pekulski, and myself are going to do some recording for some podcasts, so get ready for that. I'm probably going to get some pretty good footage. I'm hoping I'm going to get some pretty good footage. I'm not sure entirely, but I probably won't be able to publish that until I return on Sunday, so I'll probably publish it on Monday. On that note, I'm thinking about publishing videos Monday through Friday and not publishing them on Saturday and Sunday. This will allow me to do a couple things. First of all, let me just say I love the daily vlogging. It's worked really well for me. It keeps me accountable. It keeps me constantly busy, and I love it. However, I think I can increase the quality of my videos if I have 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, designated for batch recording, so I could record specific tutorial type videos, Keto Savage Kitchen type videos, training videos, and then be able to release those on a consistent basis going forward. Plus, it'll give me a disconnect of producing, so I could just focus on being creative. And I think that will be better for me from a sustainability standpoint, and also, like I said, from a quality output and production standpoint. So that's what I'm thinking about there. On the next topic of discussion, that's pretty much it, really. I'm going to be going to Florida this weekend. I'm going to get some good footage, hopefully. I'm going to publish all that. Super excited about that. I haven't been to Florida to Danny's place. Danny's been out here. He's been to the farm several times. I haven't met Ben in person yet, so it'll be cool to meet him in person. Hopefully I get a workout in my 40 gym. That's the goal anyways. So, yeah, that's what I'm excited about. That's what I got coming up. What all was filmed today? We did some cleaning. We did a workout. Today was a pretty good day. So yeah, working on that. I'll see you soon. Love you. Take care. Toodaloo. Of course, I'm going to show you these steaks before I pull them off the grill because they're going to look amazing. The reverse sear is the way to go. I'm going to end this clip with a juicy footage of some steaks, so get ready for that. Yeah, buddy. See y'all tomorrow.